Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Smoka and I'm one of 3 people who support technology here at CCHS. Today we're going to be going through the process of selecting your courses for Q5. You will be selecting 10 courses in total as possible selections. There are a couple of things you might want to do to prepare. First, you want to take a look at the Q5 course catalog carefully. You want to have gone ahead and selected the 10 courses that you are interested in taking. In addition, I would also suggest that you write down the numbers of the courses. You can see that every course has a number. This will help you find it quickly in Aspen. The next thing you might want to do is turn on your scroll bars if you don't have them on already. You're going to be doing a lot of scrolling in this process. So in order to turn on your scroll bars, if you go to the Apple and select System Preferences, the very first system preference is called General. If you click on it, you can see right here in the middle, you want to select that scroll bars always show. And once you do that, then you are done. The first thing you want to do to select your Q5 courses is to log into your Aspen account. You want to make sure that you're on the My Info page. Once you're there, you're going to want to go to the very bottom on the left side menu under the Request section, and you're going to want to click there. If you've made requests for your courses in previous years, this is going to seem very familiar. You'll notice here that you have an area for primary requests where your top 4 choices will go, and then you have alternate requests. And these are where an additional 6 choices that you would make would go. Obviously, they're going to be prioritized. Please note that unlike other registrations that you may have done, guidance counselors will not see any notes you make here, so please don't leave them any. So let's start out making your primary requests. First, you want to click the Select button, and immediately you will see a list of course descriptions. Notice that I have 10 on my list. Each page has 10 courses. If you have an 11-inch MacBook Air, you may only see 7 or so. So be sure you scroll down to the bottom of each page. In addition to having a page with 10 courses, I also have multiple pages. So you can see there are 8 total pages with 10 courses each. Now you know why I suggested you write down the course number. They'll be much easier to find when you know that information. You may remember that we are in the primary course area. These are going to be your top 4 choices. So we're going to make 4 choices here for courses you want to take in Q5. So if you like a course, you're going to want to select it. And then you're going to want to go all the way over to the right-hand side, and under the priority box, you're going to want to assign a priority 1 through 4, 1 being your top priority. Maybe this one was my 3rd choice. This one is my 4th choice. This might be my 1st choice, and this might be my 2nd choice. I think I have that right. And obviously I'm just doing it on one page to show you, but you can use your page, you can scroll from page to page here, or if you have course numbers, you can go there. 4. I know I have 4 selected because I see I have 4 of 80 selected, so that's what I want. So when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and click OK. And now your 4 courses that are your top 4 primary requests are right here. If you need to see with a priority, then you can just click there and see that that was my number 1 priority. If you have any change of mind, if you just click back and select, you have the opportunity to change your priorities if you'd like to, or if you decided you don't like a course that you have selected, you want to unclick it as well as reset the priority to 0 and then choose a different course that you want and then add that priority. And of course, then you will click OK. Now that we've selected our 4 primary or top choices in the primary request area, we're going to move to the alternate request area. So these requests are going to be not as high a priority to you as the courses in your primary request area. We were going to select 6 courses here. So we're going to go ahead and click Select. And it's going to be very similar in that you will see here are your top choices with 1, 2, 3, and 4 options. So notice they're not clicked, and notice right now we have 0 selected in our alternate area. That's what we want. So now we're going to go from page to page or by course number, and we're going to select this, and I think now if this is my next choice, I want to start with 5 because I've already selected priorities 1 through 4. So this is going to be my 5th priority. I would like to pick this as my 6th, this as my 7th, and then I'm going to move to another page and I'm going to pick this as 8. Keep in mind I don't know anything about these classes, so I could be doing all kinds of crazy things here. That is 9, this as 10. So we can now see that in this area I have 6 of 80 selected, so that's what I want. I have my priorities. So again, I'm going to go scroll down and I'm going to click OK. And now these courses will appear in this alternate request area. And again, to find out what their priority is, if you click on them, it will tell you, okay, that's my number 7. As with the primary request, if you change your mind, you want to change a course, you want to change a priority, you certainly can do that. You have until November 12th to post these. So these will be saved in your account, but you do want to go ahead and post these by November 12th so that we can see them. If you're a student who might go on a trip during Q5, you want to be sure to sign up for courses that only meet for a week. If you sign up for a 2-week course, you might have to miss the second half of your Q5 course because you'll be gone. Thank you everyone for listening to the video, and remember to post your course requests by November 12th.